Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Welcome to our parlor. So the inspiration behind this room was about 6 years ago, wanting to get away from my 3 lovely children and create a space that they could look into but not come into. So literally everything in here, pops of color, fabric, very adult with some kind of silly things hidden in between. So I'm going to show you something that I absolutely love. This little guy. I mean, who doesn't love a purple pig? So there's that. And what would any room be without an indoor terrarium, right? Keeping things green and living. There's some funny stuff in there too. It just does work. And then actually one of my all-time faves is this right here. This fabric is just incredible with so many pops of color. It really, really lightens up the room and gives it a lot. I don't know what to say about that. So on your way into any great kitchen, you have to stop here at the wet bar. Get a load of this, one of my favorite wallpapers ever. And then come on in. So you may or may not know that before I started working in fitness, I was a trained chef. Hence this kitchen, which is actually my dream kitchen. And I would say there are a couple of things that really, really stand out. The floor, namely one of them, my favorite part. It's all reclaimed wood from barns, ships, and then they laid them in 3, 4, and 5-inch planks. Number 2, which I'm not gonna open them for you because they're probably a disaster, maybe a little cake, but I don't keep any fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator. I keep 2 refrigerator drawers. So one's for fruits, one's for vegetables, and they're literally so clean you could eat out of them. They're clean, not organized. And then lastly, the soapstone countertops. Every single chunk is different. They have like different textures and sheens. And so anywhere you go in the kitchen, they're not gonna be exactly identical. But it really brings out the floors and the light cabinet colors. So yeah, that's what you got in here. It's gorgeous. In our house, the newly redone master bathroom. Literally after 8 years of the same old bathroom, we decided this was the year to finally gut this. We stayed within the original space and just took everything down to the studs and brought in light and dark marbles, lots of glass, lots of chrome, and then a great double vanity trough sink, which is just kind of utility looking, but so great.